What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, in the last video we saw how can you go ahead and quickly, easily create your YouTube channel within a minute. In this video we are gonna see how can you upload a video on your YouTube channel. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, guys. More and more videos coming up for you. In case you have not watched my previous video, I'm gonna share a link for you guys. Let's get started. So here we are on the channel page. In case if you want to go ahead and quickly access the channel, you can click on this icon here and your channel. It will land you on this page. Uploading a video is quite simple, guys. Just click on this upload video button. Select the file which you want to upload. In this case, I'm going to go ahead with this file here. Now you might notice that I have renamed this file how to upload video on YouTube. I'm going to quickly tell you what is the reason for that as well. Alright, so the title has appeared here and this is the description section. Now make sure when you fill out your description, be more descriptive, because these keywords are going to help you out to get your video discovered on YouTube or other search engines. So you might want to do a keyword research. In case if you don't know how to do a keyword research and looking for a simple option, I have made a video on how can you go ahead and check out the trending keywords from Google Trends. I'm going to share the link over here. Coming back to the description, how to upload a video on YouTube in 2020. A starting guide. All right, and so we get 5,000 characters over here. Make sure that you utilize more and more and as much as you can. This is coming to the thumbnail. Now for uploading the custom thumbnail, you need to verify your YouTube account. That is something which we'll be seeing in a later part, but for now let me just go ahead and click on this one. And the rest of the part, I'm just going to go ahead. Audience is something which I am going to go ahead and select no. It's not made for kids. It's not a cartoon video or something like that. And yeah, you'll notice that the file name is something which I have already renamed the file on my system. This file name is going to help me. Again, it would act like a keyword. It's something like a meta tag. It's gonna act like a keyword in terms of getting explored on YouTube or on other search engines. So make sure you rename your files as well. That's a good thing you can do. Click on next and add an end screen and cards. That is something again we'll be learning in the later part. For now, just click on next. Visibility, now you want it to be public, unlisted and private. The difference is public is visible to everyone. Unlisted is something, for instance, if you upload this video and you share this link with someone, the person would be able to watch your video, but then people would not. Whenever they land up on your channel, they wouldn't be able to go ahead and search for this particular video. So only the person who has the link will be able to watch this video. I'm going to go ahead and click on unlisted for now, and private is, of course, that is something only you can watch. The next part is basically you can also schedule your video as per the date you want it to go ahead and go live. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and click on unlisted, and you save this video. So the moment you save it, it's gonna appear. It's gonna give you an option to share it. This is the link. You can go ahead and share it with your friends, families, and people like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and close. And this is how you upload a video, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will be learning how to add tags in your video. Stay tuned for the third one, and I'll be back with another hack. Stay tuned, guys.